Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can copy any video links from YouTube and share it with someone else. For doing that, let's open YouTube application in our devices. For example, I want to share this video with my friend and I want to copy this video's link. For doing that, there is several ways for doing that. I will show you one by one. The first one is, for example, I want to share this video. For copying the video link, I should click on three dots as you see in the right corner. I will click on it. As you see, there is a share button at the bottom. Let's tap on it, and from here, as you see, we can copy the link directly, or we can share this video on these social media websites. Okay, let's copy the video links directly. As you see, our video link copied, and let's go to WhatsApp and send our copied link to, for example, someone else. Okay, let's click paste and send, and again let's click the video link. As you see,
Hello guys.
as you see, it's redirect us to this video again. The second way is how to share the video link and copy. The way is clicking the share button under the video. Okay, let's click share button. So you are seeing that again the same window appeared, and let's click copy, and our link copied. Now we can go to WhatsApp and can send it. Okay, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, bye.